Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer money from Sofi to Cash App. So basically Sofi does not allow a direct transfer. So what you need to do at first is add your bank account to your Sofi app, and to do this just open the app, and then on the top right corner you'll click on the transfer option, and then it's going to ask you to link to a bank account. So select your bank and do everything, and after that you're going to manage bank and then select your account. And from Cash App, you're also going to add the same bank account, which will be in the Cash App on the home page on the bank icon. You're going to click on link bank, enter your card number and everything. And finally, what you're going to do is send that money from Sofi to Cash App. So all you need to do is open your Sofi app. In the top right corner, you're going to click on the transfer option, select the bank transfer, and then put in the bank that you just added, and then you're going to send money from Sofi to bank app, and then you're going to head over to Cash App, and they're going to click on add money, and then you're going to take money from the bank, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.